Hey friends, this is Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead. A while back, I broke the glass in the front door to our porch because I left my keys in the porch and it was early in the day and Howie was at work and I had to break the window to get it. And I since put a piece of cardboard over it. Then, all of a sudden one day, my kitchen door wouldn't shut. And the tongue going into the wall that works the door handle, the wood had broke, basically. Now, Howie had a door on his shop on the garage that actually didn't fit, and it was over the doorway, not in the doorway, and the bottom of it was hollow and broken. So with 3 doors, none of them working properly, we decided to fix them. Well, Howie decided to fix them. And we did it for $175. We got 1 door secondhand and for $100 and locks and doorknobs for $75. And this is what we did. We repaired and fixed 3 doors for $175. Things are moving right along here, but I want to show you first to my old front door, because do you remember I locked my keys in the porch and I had to break the window to get in to get my keys because it was early in the day and Howie was at work. Stop right there, young man. Howard was supposed to film this. Took him all of 2 minutes.
Well, luckily the door is the exact same size and I didn't have to change anything. All I have to do is buy a new weather strip.
Awesome. Well, this is our door, and we got this on. This is our new door. Isn't it beautiful? Close it for a second, dear. Well, you can't at this. I'll talk. This is our new door. We got this for $100 secondhand. Isn't it beautiful? And I was getting up out of bed and I heard the drill and I went, son of a birch! He forgot to video again. But yeah. Oops.
I got an agenda of things to complete. I don't think all the time.
I totally hear you and I understand. But that's a beautiful door, eh? Now we have to get a new one for over there because the thing is broken on there. Also,
in that door, I have another window like
from another door out back, don't you?
From another door.
So are you going to paint this one and put a new window in it?
I'm going to put, no, I can't use that one because the width is too big. That's going to go on the shop. Because my door on the shop is...
You mean that one over there? The ugly red one?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Alrighty. Now I'm taking the front door and I'm going to put it on my shop, and then hopefully I'll change this glass and put it into this hole. That's my plan. I'm going to have to think about this for a little bit. I'm going to maybe take a bottom inch off the door and make it go in. Because it's already really close to the ground here. I get a bit of snow on that, I'm not going to be able to open the door. It's going to rip up the bottom of the door more than it is. So I'm going to have to do some thinking about that. Alrighty, so I got the paint out of the other door. It's just screws, and this one has a track that goes in. It's kind of like a one-shot deal. I don't know if you'd ever get it apart without destroying it, like I did. Maybe if you know, work with this stuff more than I do, you might have the proper tool to pop that out without wrecking it, but well, you know, I do the best I can with what I got. Whoops-a-daisy. Good thing it's already broken. Yeah, as far as I know, most of these doors and windows are all pretty standard sized. So we shall see. Out of sin. Okay, and that is that. Voila! Framed in, new window. Just gotta do a little weather stripping. I'll do that when I do the other door. That's how does it. Watch what you're doing.
Well, now that's a better use for this door, and you change the window in it,
I did.
and it works in the shop.
Alrighty then, here's our broken door that we're gonna attempt to repair. Simply because the door's not a bad door. And the other door we got to replace it, we used on the outside. So we'll see what we can do. If not, we'll find another door. There's not much left there. I was going to fill it with glue, but I'm not sure if that's going to work now. Okay, I'm making this up as I go. I got a socket that fits in there. I'm going to back tape it, and then I'll fill this with glue and then tape it. First I have to cover up my socket. I'll see if I can wrap a bit of this on there. Hopefully that'll keep it from oozing through the backside. What I'm going to do is fill this with glue, close it up, clamp it. I'll probably clamp it first. and we'll see what happens. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we'll see. Some 1 minute glue. I get a paper towel. Get it right in there. As it sets up, I'll push that right out. There we go. Now, that should dry up nice. Alrighty, let's see if we can start peeling this back a little. So far, so good. Alright, let's see. I'll drop a little more, then I'll have to shave this flush. Okay, I don't know if you can see in there, but the glue came through where it's missing wood, and I'll just trim this a bit. It's still a little, this will go rock hard. It's still a little soft. That's why it's easier to work. Now we're going to change this and put the new handle in. When I change the one in the front door, I'll probably put it on the shop and use the good one on the shop. Okay, usually these are mostly the deadbolts are all pretty standard in size. The handles will sometimes you can extend them. I'll show you that in a minute. Now we'll slip this in here. So, anyway, works good, works good. Key now goes in. Key comes out now. Alright, so I just got to repeat the process on the outside door. And there we go. No problem. Put on the trim, finished. That's how Howe does it.
So there you go. One second-hand door, one box of knobs and deadbolts, 3 doors, functioning and repaired. $175. That's just good home economics. Take care. God bless. Mwah.